British Airways passengers who accepted travel vouchers during the COVID-19 pandemic have been given more time to spend them. In this video, we talk about the extended expiration date of unclaimed airline vouchers. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigration-and-migration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance. British Airways passengers who accepted vouchers for COVID-19 disrupted flights or holidays now have until the 30th of September 2024 to use them, as the airline has extended their validity again for a further 12 months. The vouchers were originally set to expire this September 2023, but with millions of unclaimed vouchers still in circulation, the airline wants to give customers more time to redeem the vouchers. This extension is automatic, and you don't need to do anything to qualify, though if you've only used part of a voucher and still have some credit remaining, this will be issued as a new voucher with an expiry of the 30th of September 2024. Thousands of passengers were forced to delay their trips in 2020 due to last-minute travel restrictions and cancelled flights. Many airlines, including British Airways, issued vouchers to be used for a new holiday, instead of a refund, as a bid to stay afloat due to missing out on millions of pounds in lost travel. Only those who book directly with British Airways can claim a refund through the airline. If you have booked the ticket through a third party, then you need to contact the third party for a voucher or refund. To claim a voucher or refund, passengers must have received an email from British Airways with an e-Voucher code or ticket number beginning 125. The option to swap vouchers for cash refunds doesn't apply to passengers whose flights were cancelled after the 19th of November 2020, as British Airways stated that these customers were offered the choice of a cash refund or voucher at the time. If the passenger decides to use the voucher, and the newly booked flight is more expensive than the value of the voucher, the passenger needs to pay the difference. If you are unsure if you are entitled to an e-voucher, check out a British Airways tool, and enter the email link to the booking. The link is on our blog post. Do you have an unclaimed airline voucher? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigration-and-migration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.